How are you? Doing well?
Oh yeah.
Are you enjoying the rain?
Good rain.
This rain right here seems to be coming down very heavy here at the Swan cabin. Really raining. It's like a tropical storm right now. Really coming down. Thought I'd give you that little panoramic view. Here we are. I mean, big time drops. And it killed our fire right over there. That bad boy is really bad. There's Dennis Q. Lyons from Anytown, USA. Followed by Kevin B. Cahill from Nowheresville, USA. Hey there, Mr. Cahill.